Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Not one. Real quick, special shout out to my neighbors in the audience who I didn't know were here for not kicking me and my pit bull out of our apartment complex I'm not supposed to have. Started out there. Appreciate it. I'm gonna make this quick since I know we're short for time. Two real quick pieces. If that's cool. Respect the mic. Okay. Yo. The art of hip-hop is being disguised by hi-hats and kick drums, used to camouflage the noise coming out these rappers' mouths they call lyrics. I don't hear it. They talking loud but ain't saying shit, man. Hip-hop ain't dead. It's just been kidnapped by these one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, green eggs and ham, Dr. Seuss, old Whoville looking ass niggas. Hip-hop ain't dead. It's just been kidnapped by these one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish, green eggs and ham, Dr. Seuss, old Whoville looking ass niggas. Yeah, it's missing, but I'm gonna get it back. You see, you can call me Gibson. Mel Gibson, that is, because I ain't paying no motherfucking ransom. Instead, I'm gonna put a hit on all these niggas' heads so all my real MCs gonna come looking for them. Every time they in the booth spitting that bubblegum bullshit, they gonna be looking over their shoulders because my underground poets gonna be looking for their ass. You see, you got me mistaken with a nigga that play games. But like my homies say, I gotta let lames be lames. I'm trying to be the rose that grows beneath this concrete of a music industry that says they don't want a lyricist. All I hear is E-class, dumb it down. E-class, rap slower. E-class, take it easy. Man, fuck that shit. I ain't about to water down this straight shot of flow I got. You see, when you think of me, you think of Crown Black, because when you drink that, you take it in sips, baby. Nice and slow. So slow that you feel that warm sensation racing throughout your whole body. Yeah, that's my kind of rap. Crazy thing is, I'm not even a rapper anymore. I'm an artist. Because the rappers in the game for a few things like the money, the bitches, the fame, and everybody else to scream their names. Now, don't get it twisted. I love money and bitches. Now, don't get it twisted. I love money and bitches. Though I would prefer grown women I don't have to call bitches because they're not after my riches. Okay. I'll rewind. Now don't get it twisted. I love money and bitches. Though I prefer grown women, I don't have to call bitches because they're not after me for my riches. Yeah. And I love the fame. People screaming my name as if the reason that they heard my song was the reason that they changed. But if you know me, then you know the real E. The Eric Christopher Jackson that prefers Eric over E-class. Right. And you know that my mission is to everlastingly show you how classic I can be, how I strive to be a real MC. So like I said, I ain't paying no motherfucking ransom, but I got $100,000 to the artist that can bring these Pop-Tart ass kidnappers to me. E-class.